We're in New Zealand! We have a special guest today.
Welcome to Wahiki!
Ganda dito, guys.
Hello mga chubby!
Yeah!
Charot lang! What's up, travelers?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony, and today we are here in New Zealand!
Tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go!
So yung hotel namin may breakfast, pero hindi kami nag-avail. Although nag-avail kami today. So, ayan. Buffet siya, pero hindi pa kasi ready si kuya. Pero binigyan na lang niya kami ng tig-isang plate. So, pero yan din yung mga nandun. May tater tots, bacon, sausage, egg, tapos may ham and cheese, may fruits, yogurt. $20 per person if you want to avail.
Good morning from Auckland, New Zealand! So makikita nyo sa likod namin yung ferry building na famous dito sa Auckland.
Yeah, so another day, another gala!
And imimit namin ngayon yung friend ko dito na nakatira na for 10 years and friends kami for 15 years na.
So may special
nakatay
guest
namin siya.
kami today. Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Tara na! Nakakalong! Dito mo tayo nagtilita! Hi mga chubibis! We have a special guest today. And grabe, dito pa kami nagkita sa Auckland, New Zealand. So, presenting my friend Andrea. Hi mga chubibis! Siya siya.
Okay, so si Andrea ang bahala sa gala natin today.
Yes, brought to you by Andrea from the Philippines. Carmona, Cavite.
So this is where you can buy your EasyHop card. So it's $25 and it already includes $20 na travel credit. Bili tayo, let's go. We're getting our EasyHop card. We're gonna use GCash.
Yun. Dali lang. Second time na kasi.
Saan na yun? Yan, so makakapag-bus na kami guys, di na kami mag-Uber. Or baka mag-Uber pa din kami kasi
Hirap ng lakaran.
para tong Baguio actually kasi uphill, downhill yung mga lakad. So, hinihingal kami. Pero may card kami. So dito tayo pupunta sa Waiheke Island. And yung friend ni Tony na si Andrea yung nag-arrange. She already got us tickets. So Andrea already got our tickets pero papaprint natin here.
Can get the brochures mo sa may tawag dito.
Ticket counter.
Ticket counter. So we'll go to Waiheke Island.
Huwag mong galawin para makita nila. Ayan. Excited ka?
Kasi mag-wine tasting kami. And
Kaya mo?
wine is my favorite. Charot.
Hindi mo siya marunong uminom mga
Nainom ako.
chabibi.
Nag-gossip tayo before.
We're here at Auckland Central. We are here and we're going all the way here to Waiheke Island. We have our ticket.
So one is for the bus and one is for the ferry.
For ferry. Ayun. Hey. So may hop-on, hop-off bus when you get there. And then we have a ferry ticket. Yay!
Tapos dito tayo. Wala pa naman nakapila. Kasi 9 o'clock pa naman. 8:35. Yun pa lang yung pila.
Thank you. The ferry ride from Auckland to Waiheke Island takes about 40 minutes. Andrea said that it can get bumpy, but it was a good thing na swabe yung ride namin that day. Inside, there's a coffee shop where you can grab a flat white or a quick snack while you enjoy the view. May toilets din on board, so you're all set for the short trip. And if you go to the second floor deck, you'll get a wide open view of Haruki Gulf and the Auckland skyline. Ang perfect lang nito na preview of the laid-back experience waiting on Waiheke Island. We have friends here.
Kuya, introduce
Welcome to Waiheke.
Ayan, Kuya Dennis po.
Kuya Dennis.
Welcome to Buller Street.
Ako yung parking officer dito sa Waiheke Island.
Yes. Yes.
Hindi ka pwedeng sumali sa Chub Explorers.
Ako pwede.
Hindi pa, kulang ka pa.
We are
May
in
mga-
Waiheke.
Mga kabayan tayo here, working here with Andrea. Oh, ayan, meron kami private tour bigla.
May private tour.
Yeah, we were supposed to ride. This is the hop-on, hop-off bus. May ticket din kami for that for 10 o'clock. Ang ganda dito. Cable Bay Vineyard. Facundo, ang wallet. Bibilin ko to.
Gari namin to. Huwag kayong mag-alala.
Mami, di namin uuwi.
Dito na po kami titira.
Penguins live here. Uy, halaga. Ayan, yun nakalagay. Sobrang ganda dito, guys.
Kami apat.
Ang saya.
Kaway ka sa mga penguins.
Hindi, dun sa
Fans.
nilari ng bahay. Sabi niya, ano, come here, come
Hi
here.
mga chubibis. Talagang dito ako ihit na.
Muse. Ang ganda dito, guys. May mga penguins daw dito. Little blue penguin.
Bakit po sa Pilipinas walang ganito?
Batanes.
Batanes, ako.
Live.
Batahalis na nga to. Kaya sabi ko, dinalaw na kayo sa Batahalis.
Hirap puntahan.
May dolphins daw dyan minsan, guys. Wow. Grill yan. Wow, meron pang grill, guys. Oh, for barbecue. Ang saya.
Dapat lilinisin mo.
Oo, lilinisin mo.
Sabi din ng mga yan.
May shower area din dito. If you wanna go to the beach. May mga picnic tables.
Yung natin may shower sa loob.
Kaya nga eh. Kasi yan, this is Oneroa Beach. Pakaganda. Kahit nawasaya ng mga dogs.
Oras pa kasi nila hanggang 11. 11, bawal na sila.
Guys, ang ganda dito.
So mga chabibis, hindi na kami uuwi. Hindi, charot. Actually, ang ganda dito. So, Waiheke is known for vineyards. And andito kami ngayon sa isang beach.
Kasi
Tapos ang
mga-
daming dogs.
Pwede sila daw hanggang 11. Kaya ang saya-saya nila maglaro. Ang ganda dito, guys, sa
Waiheke.
Waiheke. Tapos they have showers doon.
Tapos ito may
Tapos
liver
may-
grill.
May barbecue.
Pwede
May
kayo
grill.
mag-grill. You just have to clean it after. So kung pupunta kayo dito guys, na pwede kayo kumuha ng hop-on, hop-off bus na ticket. And if you wanna go to the beach, may babaan naman dun sa may taas. So we'll show you later, meron din siyang parang town na may mga shops, may mga restaurants. Tapos, di na po kami uuwi. So, hindi na kami Chub Explorers. Chub New Zealanders na kami.
Kasi, dito na kami.
Ang saya. Bibili kami ng vineyard. Pakundo. Ang coin purse. We were in New Zealand! Ito naman ay Palm Beach. This one, hindi na accessible nung hop-on. Pero may bus daw guys. And may bus stop dito. So, kung gusto nyo mag-commute dito, may regular bus din siya. May bus stop din dun sa may Palm Beach. So, yeah. Dito kami kakain sa Charlie's. We're here at Charlie Farley's. Pwede kayo kumuha ng flyer doon about the vineyards. Actually, everything about Waiheke Island. Tapos, may listahan dyan nung iba-ibang vineyard. Sobrang dami. So, parang Napa Valley yung dating niya. Kala mo nakapunta ng Napa Valley. Tapos, nandiyan din nakalagay yung bus na, I mean, kung dadaan siya doon, sobrang dami yung pwedeng pagpilian na mga vineyards. So, punta kami sa bus stop kasi antayin na namin yung hop-on, hop-off bus to get to the vineyard. This is the Explorer.
Iniskan to? No, papakita mo lang.
Chub Explorer. It's a Chub Explorer bus. So we're here at the Mud Brick Vineyards. Maraming vineyards dito sa Waiheke Island. Pero pumili kami nung hindi pa rin nakakapunta si Andrea para pare-pareho kaming first time dito. Ang ganda dito guys. So dun yung wine tasting, but we want to get a cheese board here. The cheese board is $58. And then punta kami dun sa kabila for the wine tasting. Ayan, so separate yung cheese board dun sa wines. Pero dito namin gusto. Ayan dito.
It was bottle fermented for 3 years. So really small bubbles at the end of that process. Think apple, like green apple in the palate. And those classic champagne nuts like brioche biscuits, you know. So yeah, if you're sitting outside, totally fine. Just bring the glasses back for the next wine.
Okay.
Sweet. Thank you.
Alright, so we got the South Island tasting for $25 each. And how many wines do we get for that?
5 wines.
5 wines. Cool. So yung wine tasting, may 5 wines. And then for $25 each. Not bad. Kasi yan, ganyan siya kadami. Ganyan kadami per taste. And then we'll bring the glass back inside para sa next wine. Guys, nagmamature na yung mga vlogs namin. Dati pa Disney lang kami. Ngayon nagwa-wine tasting na kami. Ibang level ng mga tita nyo. Ito pa tita na talaga to. Sige nga.
Sa amin,
Sorry, na-knock out siya sa amoy ng wine.
Thank you. Thank you.
And there's our cheese board. $58. Ganda.
So next we have the dangerously easy to drink Pinot Gris. Pinot Gris is a very versatile grape, so we grow this in Marlborough. It's a very dry climate, so very hot during the day and cold at night. And these cooling nights actually help the vine shut down and retain its acidic structure. So this smells very sweet, I think pear, apple, ginger, but on the palate and the actual residual sugar, it's very dry.
So we got our second wine. And we have our cheese board now, so we'll take our photo. Ayan guys, ang mga tita niya, ready for mature rolls. Mature na kami direct. Our wine and our cheese. So yeah, enjoy lang namin to guys. See you later. So you have to use your return ticket for this one. Dapat itago mo. Thank you! Ingat! Nice to meet you! Eh, may isa pa kaming special guest, mga Chabibis!
Mag-hi ka!
Mag-hi ka sa vlog!
Hi mga Chabibis!
Hello mga Chabibis!
Yes!
Diba?
Mga Chabibis, this is Ice! Oh.
Mga Chabibis, alam nyo ba, yung araw, winter ngayon na, pero pa shifting sa spring, naka-Pro Max yung araw nila, silaw na silaw kami.
Ang sakit sa mata.
Oo, sabi ng mga lokal dito, ano pa yan, tame pa yung sikat ng araw na yan. Diyos ko, ano pa sa summer?
Ay, umaangat yung bridge.
Umangat yung bridge. Umangat yung bridge.
Idadaan. Ayan, pantakip ng araw daw. Nasisilaw ka daw kasi.
Ang saya na, abutan natin na umangat yung bridge.
Ayan, kasi may dadaan na boat. Ayan, umangat yung bridge. We're gonna eat here at Wynyard Pavilion with that view
Ng harbor.
So here's our food. We got steak. Kasi every Thursday, sakto nandito kami Thursday. $15 lang siya with any beer, spirits, or ano. Pero pinayagan kami na coke lang. Kasi po, wholesome kami. Wholesome ang mga tita nyo. Ano to?
Crispy pork ramen.
Ramen. Sarap. Kami tatlo steak.
Steak din, pero red wine sauce yung sa akin. Sa kanila mushroom.
Mushroom. Kain lang kami. Diyan lang kayo. Okay, so we stopped here for some ice cream. We got one scoop in a waffle cone. So per cone, one scoop is $11.90 in a waffle cone. Ayan. Pero yung mga friends namin, ayaw kami pagbayaran. Sobra. May sponsor kami for this day. And, ayun na nga, ang aming napakasayang araw.
Yes, and sobra-sobra kaming happy today kasi unang-una nakasama ko yung long-time friend ko na si Andrea.
Shout
and
out!
Yung partner niya si Ai. Shout out to you guys!
Thank you so much for touring us around Waikiki Island.
Ano Waikiki?
Ay,
Waikiki! Waikiki. No, Hawaii.
Thank you so much, Andrea, for coming with us to Waiheke Island. And kay Kuya Dennis, na nag-ikot din sa amin. Sobrang thank you.
Yes. Sobrang nagkaroon kami ng private tour doon sa Waiheke Island.
Yes, ang saya-saya talaga. Nag-enjoy talaga kami mag-ikot, puntahan yung mga beaches, different beaches around Waiheke Island. Yung lunch na napakasarap.
So, Charlie's.
Yes. And yung wine tasting.
Sa mud break. Yun. So, nag-enjoy ako sa charcuterie.
Oo, kasi po, ako lang yung sumala ng wine. No?
Yes, gusto ko kasi sweet wine. Ayoko ng mga dry and sour.
So, 2 out of 5 lang po yung ininom na.
So, ayun. And, we would like to thank talaga Andrea and Ice for your generosity. And sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami. As in, wala kaming dull moments. Sobrang kwentuhan lang, tawanan, reminiscing. Way back 15 years, nung nag-start pa lang kami mag-work sa corporate
So,
ni Andrea.
After namin bumalik, nag-dinner pa kami. Niya, kasama na namin si Ice, yung partner ni Andrea. And hindi lang din yun eh. Alam niyo ba guys, nagkwentuhan din kami. Share kami ng best practices.
Yes, about sa business.
Life. Saya-saya lang talaga, no?
Yun, sobra. So, parang tong araw na to is sobrang nakakataba ng puso. Yun.
At saka ng tiyan.
Oo. Wala kaming gano'n kundi kumain. Yeah. And, if you like this video, you can follow us on our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to comment, like, and
subscribe.
Hanggang sa susunod na gala.
Paalam!